MAD Systems' patented facial recognition-based media delivery system differs from other facial recognition systems that are out there because it's not like facial recognition that you would use to simply unlock your phone, and it's not like facial recognition that you would use for security purposes where you just basically identify who someone is. We can actually identify the person, and then based on their preferences, we can deliver personalized content to that individual. So we would begin by having them register into our system. They'd be able to enter their photo and also whatever preferences they might have, which could include their language preference. It could also include any ADA accommodations that would help to enhance their experience. Maybe they need increased volume at an exhibit, or we could add subtitles onto a video that would not otherwise have them. We could also change the language of those subtitles. We could enlarge the subtitles. We could lower touch buttons if somebody had wheelchair access or if it was a small child. We can basically do a number of things to personalize content for an individual. We can even ask them what their particular interests are or their level of education on a topic and deliver a different version of the content based on that. The demo station that I'm going to be showing you is running on our Quicksilver system via a micromedia server or a stick, which is so small that it can be co-located alongside any piece of equipment. So we have one of those sticks just fastened onto the back of this monitor here. So obviously it's very easy to hide in set work. It also communicates wirelessly with our two-party show controller. So that means we don't have cabling run to every individual exhibit. So that's significantly reduced infrastructure there. I want to go ahead and show you how we can deliver personalized content based on recognizing some well-known figures. And you'll notice I am using still images here, but they are representative of how this system would work for a live person as well. So here I have Beyonce, and if she goes up to the exhibit, it's going to give her some personalized content. We'll do George Clooney as well. And we have The Rock. Here's Rod Stewart. And here we have Meryl Streep. The response time is pretty quick. The system can recognize the individual and within a second deliver back personalized content to them. We can even go beyond this to use targeted advertising in conjunction with our facial recognition system. So say you have a shopper and you collect data about what their preferences are. Well, if you can log them in the facial recognition system and you know their preferences, then you can target advertise to them if they're pumping gas or when they walk into a store. You could say, hey, I know you like salt and vinegar chips, like I do. They're in aisle 5 and they also happen to be on sale, and you can pop up an ad for whatever product it is that you want to target advertise to that individual. So there's that option, and our patent for recognition also includes license plate recognition as well. So we can even tie an individual to the vehicle that they're driving via the license plate to be able to target advertise to them in that way as well.